Thank you, sir. My name is Ezeoyibo. Well, I'm here to nurture my girls on modeling. Oraukwu girls, giants of Oraukwu girls.
Okay.
We are here to nurture them. Yes, meeting the Igbo for the first time in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm even sweating, honestly. Wow. I'm even sweating. I'm so surprised. I don't even know that I'm going to stay with him, go to that and snap picture with him. I'm excited. I'm hearing the good work Igwe is doing, and I know he's one of the sponsors of this great event. I know that everything is going to work out as planned. Igwe, you are trying. More grace to you. I don't have much to say, but what I'm promising you is that that day you are going to be surprised. These girls are going to surprise everybody in Oraukwu. Oraukwu will know that they have big girls, good girls with enough talent. They are talented. You will see with your eyes that day. I don't need to promise much, but they will surprise everybody in Oraukwu.
Thank you. I'm here live. Missy Apostle Martin. Yeah, we are here for courtesy visit to Igwe with my models and our Igwe Chinyere, two of Oraukwu Kingdom. We welcome our resource person for the pageantry of Nkiri Mma Oraukwu today at Igwe's house. You're welcome. Can you tell us your name?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I am so happy coming here. Here is very fine.
Yeah. This
is my first time coming to IME-OBI, Igwe's palace. Like, it's very good, very nice and awesome. I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Ifeoma.
Okay.
You can call me Fomzi. Okay. Fomzi baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We are Oraukwu Giant Movie Academy. Oraukwu Giant Movie Academy.
Giants.
Oraukwu Giant Movie Academy.
Giants.
Oraukwu Giant Movie Academy.
We are the best.
We are about to produce the best program ever in Oraukwu, which is Nkiri Mma Ezeoyibo Oraukwu 2020/2021. We are going to give you the best.
Yes,
come on. Everybody should come on 1st of January and see. On 26th December, what will happen?
We are to give out Oraukwu what we have.
We are going to entertain Oraukwu after Oraukwu meeting at IME-OBI.
Yes, sir.
More grace to your elbow. Good is to our Igwe. Thank you for everything. Oraukwu will look over there.
Bro, very fine. Camera woman, no, bro, very high. Oh, joking. You cannot joking. You're not doing it. And I'm Away from Napunya Kumowa.
You're coming like this. This way.
Don't swing your hand too much. Put our hand very straight.
Where they are tired.
Okay.